This is the easiest recipe I know of because you just get to shake it in and there's really nothing wrong about it. Give it a little shake, spread it around. What do you think's next? All right, now you're gonna spread that chicken all around, get into the corners, and we're gonna put in the key ingredient on this recipe. My favorite brand, Knorr. French onion recipe mix. You're gonna season your chicken with this and it's going to just melt into that rice and give it all the flavor that it needs. Now you're gonna add in some more seasonings, Italian seasoning. You really wanna season this dish up. That's the thing about this. That makes it so good, so flavorful. The kids will come running and it is so good. Garlic powder, you gotta have it in there. Get some more all around. Cracked pepper, here we go. More seasoning. Now, this is a little more fancy for us, but we really love this. We got it on Amazon. Sea salt truffle. Sabatino, you can't go wrong. If you've never had truffle, you gotta try it. It gives it like another mushroomy layer. Adding in that salt, and then we are going to add in more ingredients, a wet ingredient that's going to season it up and help it cook, some beef stock. You can add in chicken stock if you like. We like to mix it up a little. You don't need a lot of this, but just to get it nice and wet. So good. All right, we got one more wet ingredient for you. Classic Campbell's cream of chicken soup. Here we go. Get that in there. All around. Take your spatula and spread it. And then we're gonna get the top. This is gonna be what we call a top-down, one-pot recipe. So the top is key. French's crispy fried onion. Oh yeah, we're getting in there. Pop that baby open and put it all over the top. That's gonna give you a nice layer. So this is gonna cook for about 45 minutes in the oven on 350. You can broil it at the end, make it nice and even more crispy, but that's as easy as it is.
What do you call this, babe?
This is our fried onion crispy chicken rice dinner. Into the oven it goes. I can't wait. Excellent. So as that's cooking, feel free to add some beef stock and more onions on top. You're gonna want to take an eye on this. You don't want to just walk away from it. Keep an eye out. If your oven's not calibrated, it's really important that that rice is gonna cook all the way through. So you might need some more liquid and then put some more toppings up. Let's get into it. I can't wait. It smells so good. All right. I also broiled it at the end, just a little bit, because we all love crispy onions. That's just how we are in my family. So I'm gonna just get into this. Oh my gosh. It smells like heaven. There's that delicious rice and that chicken. I want it all in one bite. Here we go.